महेश्वरी बालिका विद्यालय में साइंस प्रदर्शनी लगाया गया।
Science exhibition today 2024. I request sir and our esteemed guests, Dr. Binani, to please come forward and inaugurate the function.
Thank you, ma'am, for inaugurating our science exhibition and welcome you all.
बच्चों ने इतनी मेहनत करके साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगाया है, आशा करता हूँ बहुत पसंद आएगा।
फिर भी सर 5-5 मिनट का स्टॉल दीजिए, बच्चे सब
हेलो
Good morning, sir. This is acid rain from clouds, from raining sulfuric acid plus nitric acid will come to our agriculture. And mix with crops that humans are eating and causes diseases. As you can show. Good morning, sir. These all are our eco-friendly resources and non-conventional resources. It's a tidal energy and it's a solar panel which traps the heat from the sun and convert heat energy into electricity, as you can see, sir. And it's a wind power which traps the speed of a wind and convert heat energy into electricity. It's a green resources and very economical to our environment, and they are all are the sustainable development. Thank you,
We
sir.
can see the cloud is raining, and our home at the roof, the cloud water or the rainy water is containing. This containing water is going to the tank, which will purify this rainwater, because we can't use this rainwater for a domestic purpose and for a drinking purpose. This water will be purified in this container, which with the help of pebbles, some stones and sand, and this purify the water, and this will go to this container, which will contain clean water, which we can use as in a drinking purpose, for domestic purpose, and which will increase the ground level also.
This shows good morning, sir. This is the model which shows the process of respiration in human body. This is lung, this is right lung and this is left lung. This is trachea made up of cartilage ring, and then trachea is divided into two parts, right bronchi and left bronchi. Then bronchi divided into many branches called bronchioles. This is bronchioles, and bronchioles contains some air containing sac called alveoli. This is alveoli. And see how we exhale and inhale. Just go it off. Sir, my name is Kajal Marisha. This is air pollution. Facts of air pollution. Air pollution is caused by both human and natural contributors. Factories, mining, agriculture, vehicles, and volcanoes, eruption, wind, and eruptions all causes air pollution. Fact number 2.
Good morning, sir. I am Priyanshi Ghosh of class 3. Today I will show you the process of photosynthesis. Here you can see a plant absorb sunlight from the sun. Then with the help of carbon dioxide, water and warmth, the chlorophyll make food for the plant. This is called photosynthesis. Thank you. Volcano erupt. Magma passes through the vent, then the magma or ash or gases come out from the mountain. Then this is called lava. There are three types of volcano: active, dormant and extinct volcano. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. I, Parvinder Kaur of class 5, am going to demonstrate greenhouse effect. Sunlight enters greenhouse, sunlight is absorbed by plants and the greenhouse. Sunlight is converted into heat inside the greenhouse and the warmth stays even in cold climate. Long wavelengths radiate through the glass into the atmosphere. Thank you. As we can see, the cloud is raining, and our home at the roof, the cloud water or the rainy water is containing. This containing water is going to the tank, which will purify this rainwater, because we can't use this rainwater for a domestic purpose and for a drinking purpose. This water will be purified in this container, which with the help of pebbles, some stones and sand, and this purify the water, and this will go to this container, which will contain clean water, which we can use as in a drinking purpose, for domestic purpose, and which will increase the ground level also.
अभी प्लस कर रहा था, प्लस एंड माइनस 5 नंबर आया। कितना होता है
चला नहीं तो चल नहीं रहा है।
I am the student of Environment Science. So today I am going to tell you that why we are choosing this rainwater harvesting process. So the first thing, as we all know that the earth is consuming 71% of water, in which 97.3% is salty water or saline water, and 2.8% is salt water, not clean water. So today this is the process. As we all can understand that the groundwater rises very intensely in the waves. So we are going to show you the process how the rainwater is coming from these lines. And as we all know that Tamil Nadu ranks first on the rainwater harvesting, and nowadays we are also doing this as same as in West Bengal due to the lack of groundwater. So she will explain you the whole process of rainwater harvesting.